10th of October 2022. We have Ullantorppa, Ullantorppa, 13 staircase, or it could be Ulrikastorp also.
Yeah.
It's in Koivuhovi Björkby, close to Kauniainen, Grankulla here in Espoo, Helsinki and Sports region, also Finland. The capacity is 8 purchase orders, 630 grams. Its number is 1434B, 4 floors here. Staircase 8 has only 3 floors.
Yeah.
And it will be inspected in 2024, but no, it doesn't have it.
Yeah.
That the 4th floor is unnecessary.
Yeah.
I think they used to have a cover for the button 4.
Yeah.
You see on the black on the rest of them, but not on the 4. Somebody ripped it off.
Yeah.
Finish 2001. And it says 00 or 00 on the glass, which means 2000.
Yeah.
This is the turn of the year, 2000. So late 2000, finished in 2001.
Yeah.
She's local by door. It will be inspected in 2024.
Niissä kun tiedät väistytään, me teen paikkaan.
Yes. Back to the first one. Also, I think they have different interiors here and the elevators themselves. But this one's in red.
Yeah.
I don't remember what their color was in Sticky Say, but it was different. That's it.
That's